Chapter 5. How to create successful ad creatives and copy. Ad performance and creative. Your Facebook ad creatives and copywriting are among the top ad elements that decide whether your ad campaign succeeds. If a Facebook user is scrolling through Facebook and your ad does not catch their eye, they will not click on it, end up on your website, and they won't end up converting. The ad's design will affect your CPA, cost per acquisition, and CPC, cost per click. Consumer acquisition even found that images are responsible for 75%–90% of ad performance. Therefore, it is of most importance that your ad image rocks. How to set up your Facebook ad creatives. In the campaign creation phase, you can select between several types of ad creatives depending on your campaign objective. Facebook allows you to select and test up to 6 different image ads to find the best performing option. We suggest that you always test some ad elements, and your Facebook ad design is a great place to start. To select ad images, you have 3 options. Upload a picture from your computer, browse your library to reuse a picture you had previously uploaded, find images in the free stock images database. It is important to frequently refresh the images of your ads so users keep seeing them as fresh and attractive. Being able to immediately find and use new pictures for free is extremely useful and will save you a lot of money. However, keep in mind that these free images are available to all Facebook advertisers, meaning that most of these images are used across thousands of ad campaigns. You should consider them a last resort, as it is quite likely the volume of Facebook users that have already seen the image is high. We also know that it is always better to generate your own graphics to use instead of relying on free stock images. Facebook ad design best practices. To help you create winning ad creatives that will bring you clicks at a low CPC, we made a list our favorite Facebook ad design. To create beautiful Facebook ad designs, you must keep your ads colorful so that they will immediately catch attention. Place your main value proposition in the ad image so that people will read it right as they see your ad. Create ads that contrast with the newsfeed. Use the right image size, 1200 × 628 pixels, so that your ad creatives look good on every screen. Now that we have some ideas on what makes a great creative, let's write our ad copy. The ad copy. Your ad copy is the second most important part of your Facebook ads, right after the ad image. The ad copy should first catch an ad viewer's interest and then convince them to act, e.g. make a purchase. Your Facebook ads have multiple fields where you can place text. The main ad text, up to 90 characters. Headline, up to 25 characters. Link description, up to 90 characters. It is a good idea to have several different headlines and descriptions ready before you start creating your ad. This will make it easier for you to find something you like instead of making it up on the spot. As you can see, you have some more options available when dealing with newsfeed and mobile ads compared to the classic right column ads. First, you can pick a call to action button among those offered by Facebook. These buttons have proven to be effective to increase the click-through rate. If they fit your product, we strongly advise you to use them. Remember, keep your ad copy short and extremely clear. Here, the goal is not selling. It is about convincing users to click on the ad to discover more. Try to be catchy and clearly explain to users why they should click. Offering discounts and freebies usually help. However, be careful not to attract too many cheap clicks that will not convert. How to set up the Facebook ad copy. Setting up your ad copy is super easy. All you need to do is enter text in the right fields. You will also see a preview of your ad campaign. If you are testing multiple ad images or wish to see how your ad looks on different screens such as desktop and mobile, you can do so by selecting other views from the 2 menus highlighted in the image below. You have 3 choices when it comes where your Facebook ads will appear: the news feed, mobile, and right column. Many marketers assume right column ads are a waste of money since they do not perform as well as news feed ads. However, right site ads are relatively cheap, and you will never know which ad type is best for your campaign without testing. Give them a try. Another thing to keep in mind is mobile targeting. Some advertisers make the mistake of sending users who click mobile ads to non-mobile optimized sites. Only use mobile advertising if your site is mobile friendly, otherwise you will waste lots of money since Facebook mobile generates lots of clicks. Removing a target is simple. When creating an ad, you'll have 3 tabs to check a preview of it in the 3 available placements. At the end of each Placements tab, you have a Remove link. Just click it to disable a placement. Let's go to the Chapter 6.